What's up, what's up, what's up? Day 3 here in SoCal. And of course, we had to go back to Venice Beach because there's just so much life here, so much culture, so many cool shops, so many cool people. Okay, so something really scary just happened. There was a big dog, pretty much, eating a smaller dog. Okay, not eating, but they were fighting, and the big dog was kicking the other dog's butt. And everyone at the beach, well, not everyone, but everyone in this area was getting scared. The big dog wouldn't let go of the little dog, and yeah, it was something crazy. It was nuts. But I think the small dog is okay. It looked dead after they got the big dog off, but I think the small dog will be fine. We're gonna try out this spot next to Muscle Beach. It's called Muscle Beach Juice Bar. What do we get?
We got the
Coco Colombo. Got some nice souvenir cups right there. Here you can get smoothies, shakes, juices, shots, yogurt, coffee.
Excuse me, you accept credit cards too?
But we got the Coco Colombo. Comes with almond milk, banana, cacao powder, cacao nibs, dates, coconut beads, sea salt, ice. First sip. How is it?
Good.
Oh, okay.
I feel like I taste protein.
You taste the protein.
You can taste the almond too.
Oh, good, good, good. My turn. All right, so we're also trying out another food spot over here on Venice Beach called Pokey Pokey, because we've been craving Poke for like the past couple days, so there it is. We got our Poke. How's it taste? Good. It's a salmon Poke with spicy flavor and everything in it, so yeah. Welcome to the wonderful world of Porto's Bakery here in SoCal, where lines are just as long as going to Disneyland or Universal Studios. We're about to get some pastries because their pastries are delicious here, but hopefully they have what we want. Cheese rolls.
Ang tibay. Na lang tayo sabay-sabay.